Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. Today we're going to be swapping out our factory headlights in our 2016 Camaro, and we're going to be swapping them over to the Spyder Sequential headlights. Now these new headlights are going to provide a much brighter light output when compared to the factory dingy OEM bulbs. Now these headlights are going to feature a bright DRL and sequential turn signal function. Everything for this installation is going to require us to remove the front bumper, but once that is done, everything going back together is going to be a simple plug and play. Now there you have it guys. With the bumper back in place, we can sit back and take a look at the new style the Spyder headlights add to our Camaro. Now this installation will be the same for any of the Spyder headlights, be it an RS or non-RS Camaro. The bumper and headlight removal is the same process. Now it's just a matter of finding the right set of headlights to fit your model.